Others.
You guys can do it together. It has nothing to do with your leg. It's okay, ladies and gentlemen. It looks like we've filled in. Are you ready to see a great dance performance? Okay, here's what we want you to do. We want you to be able to say "Opa."
Opa.
But louder, okay? At the count of 3. Let's see if we can get that guy in the back to be quiet. You, who's saying that funny sound back there? Sounded like a black crow. Oh, it is Mike. Okay.
Italo Mike.
Itano Mike. Okay, everybody pretend you're on a microphone. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Opa.
Can they do better?
Yes.
Let's do better, okay, people? 1, 2, 3.
Opa.
Okay, remember that because we might need it later to get through this show. Okay, the boys. This is Peter. Put your hands together for Peter.
Opa. Mr. Peter.
Mr. Peter. And George. George. Okay. Let's just start. Let's not even introduce any more stuff. Okay, let's just get into Uzo and see what happens from there.
Three times.
heard the crowd. What happens when the crowd becomes angry?
I don't hear no Oppas out here.
Oh, didn't we do that at the beginning?
Yeah, but he didn't do the show.
Oh.
Yeah, you know something? We were in Hawaii a couple of weeks ago. Opa's a big fish. So everybody bring fish out for the boys. Opa!
Is that good? One more time.
Opa!
I think everybody's tired, huh? Charge!
He's ready to put our buddy out.
Oh, you need. Oh, yeah, you need. What? You want Opas? You want Uzo?
Yeah, he wants a lot. Holy cow. I think it's time to renegotiate the contract.
Yeah. They're running.
We want more guy to come out here.
Who is it that you wanted?
Yes,
Santa Claus.
What do you-
I
what
sit
do
on
you-
his lap and tell him what I want for Christmas.
Yeah, but what did you want him for? I forgot why you wanted him.
He's gonna make sure. I don't use no hands. It's his right teeth. So you go first.
Oh, Bill. Where's my Cubano Bill?
It's all gray accents.
Where's Bill? Oh, he's not here. No.
We'll get Tasso out. Tasso, come here. Come here.
Looks like you'll be driving.
Okay, here's Bill. Forget Tasso. Let's go. Let's get on with the show. They want you for something. I don't know. I don't know what they want you for.
All right.
Okay, you're supposed to make sure that he doesn't have any hands. Oh, use his hands. Yeah. Yeah, you're going to sit on your head and watch him that he doesn't use any hands to lift those tables. Okay. Now, we got a question for you, and I think everybody would be interested to hear about this. Is there any specific corner that you like of the four to lift from?
You mean, does it taste better? Is that what you're saying, Yanni?
Well, I didn't want to say it like that, but you know.
Hey, say put a little bit of that Lucamadas honey on there.
And, is one corner better than the other corner?
A little salt, a little pepper.
Well, now this one looks like it's got teeth. Okay, now this one doesn't have teeth, it's just cut out. Is that you? Oh, that's your dad's teeth.
That's when I used to be on the table.
That's when you were on the table. Okay, your dad had strong teeth. All right, go for it. Okay, is there anything you want before? God, I wish I wouldn't ask that question.
Let's do one more. Good job, Johnny.
Yeah.
Good job, Yanni.
I need my Uzo too. I need my
Oh, Mr. Bartender. We need the Uzo. Bring the Uzo.
What's going to happen if he uses his hands?
I don't know. Check his ID to make sure he can drink that, please. Hands up to the side, right? Both boys. Yes, you go, right on. Everybody put your hands thank you to the Fotia band for coming down here from the Bay Area, fighting all that traffic and being here with us at our 51st annual Greek
Well, we're
Festival.
more like the D band because we're missing the O and the A. So we're like the D band today. Yeah.
Okay.